Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of Cloth and Paper September Intention subscription box. If this is something that interests you, hopefully you decide to stay until the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi bestie, hopefully you're having an awesome day today. As you can see, Cloth and Paper has a new box. So this was something different that I was shocked when I picked up my box from off my porch today. So did you get the September intention box? And if so, was there anything in particular that caught your eye with this particular subscription? The main thing that caught my eye was the dust bag. Okay, so you see there's additional new things with the box. So let's go ahead and get into the content of the subscription box. Okay, these two boxes. This is the task roller and the task rolls. And here is the pouch. Oh guys, look at this. I'm loving the new box. A new era awaits. I absolutely love this. I'm going to see if I can flip this box inside out for storage because I absolutely love this. So let's look at this checkered dust bag. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely love it. I wish the dust bag did have a zipper closure with it, but overall I do like it. I like the outside of it. But let's go ahead and get the rest of the items that's included with the subscription box. We'll get back to the dust bag a little bit later. Okay, so let me go ahead and find the what's inside card, which has everything about the box. It has the pictures and also the details of everything that's included within the subscription box. So I really love Cloth and Paper's what inside card because it does provide details and what their intentions are for each item that they include in the box. And I have gotten subscriptions from other small businesses, and not all of the businesses include this information, so I do appreciate the pictures as well as the details that they provide for each item. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the first item, and that is the task roller. Let's go ahead and open that up. I did see that on YouTube. And I think I saw a video a day or two ago where someone was showing us how we can utilize the task roller, how they made it and everything. Interesting video. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it has a label showing that this is the task roller. So let's go ahead and open up the set. The test roll, it has a set of 3 within this particular box. And the what's inside card indicates there's a blank roll, dot grid, and a time block. And there is a sticker label on each, so you know which one is which. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the task roll from the dispenser. And let's go ahead and open this up and set it up so I can test it out. Okay, let's go ahead and open this roll up. It's not easily being removed. It's kind of peeling and ripping as I try to open this particular roll. So I'm going to need something to help me remove the parts where it peeled from. So let's go ahead and try another roll and see if this one can be easily opened. Okay, here we go. It ripped a little bit, but it was easier to open, unlike the other one. And let's go ahead and open the other rolls. So I'm not sure if I'm doing it wrong, but the two rolls seems to peel and it doesn't pull off easily. So if you have any recommendations for anyone of how to pull it without the paper peeling and ripping, please leave that in the comments so others will know and that they're not wasting their roll. So let's go ahead and try to add this roll to the task roller dispenser. So when I'm placing it in here, it's going in the back. I'm doing it wrong. Guys, I am struggling to do this. Let's try this again. So it's going in the back. Maybe if I go ahead and cut it so it's even, it might work better. So let's try this again. There we go. That made the difference. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull this through, roll all the way through. So I have everything set up for the task roller. Okay, so since I spent so much time on this task roller, let's go ahead and move forward to the next. So the next item is the monthly reflection card. And this month it says Harmony. Okay, look like we have some sticky notes. So we got 2 half sticky notes and it says project. And just to log in your progress, something that you can add into your inserts. And of course we have a monthly pop-up card, and that's for November. We have some stickers. These are arrow stickers. So I do like the color of the stickers. And it looks like it comes available in 2 sizes. I will have to try to figure out how I would utilize them. And if you have any recommendations of how you would utilize these stickers, leave that in the comments. I definitely can find some way to utilize the smaller ones, but I'm not sure about the larger stickers. Okay, next up, we receive some planner inserts, and I do receive CP Petite planner inserts. And this is the task tracker inserts. I can definitely utilize these. Looking forward to trying them out. So let me go ahead. I'm really looking forward to trying these inserts out, and I'm going to go ahead and add them to my planner. So after I add the inserts to my planner, I do have to open up the pens and test those out. But overall, so far, my top items within the September intention box is definitely the dust bag. That's number one. Then I do love the project inserts, and I do want to test those out. And then the half sticky notes, I think because I do use a smaller planner, the CP Petite inserts, I do believe those half sticky notes gonna work perfect with my CP Petite planner. What's your thoughts? What do you like so far? What's your top items? So let's go ahead and get to the rest of the box, which are the pens. So let's go ahead and test those out. Okay, so we have a Snyder pen and a palette pen. And based on the card, they are both black pens. So let's go ahead and test them out. So I've been a fan of Snyder pens for years. But I never seen this one before, and right now I'm really not that impressed with it. I don't know, I think because the other Snyder pens that I have had through the years, they tend to glide, and this one doesn't glide like the other Snyder pens that I've had in the past. So let's go ahead and test out this palette pen. Okay, so between these two pens, the Snyder and the palette, I do like the palette better than the Snyder. But as I've said in previous videos, if I had my choice, I would prefer not to receive the pens. So let's get back to this beautiful, beautiful dust bag. So I absolutely love this dust bag. I've said it more than once in this video, and I'm excited to put my planner inside of it. It absolutely fits perfect, and I absolutely love this. I would definitely order another one of these dust bags. I absolutely love this. Now, in my box, I did not have a member access password code in my box. I'm not sure if it changed for the month of September. Let me know in the comments whether you know if they're doing something different for the month of September. But thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe, and have an awesome day. Toodles.